Hi! In front of me is TCL 405 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, just open Devices settings and click on Bluetooth section right away. Then tap on this sweater at the top if it's gray and select Pair New Device. Following that, just click on one of the available ones that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Last but not least, in order to connect, click on Pair in the pop-up. Now just wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear next to the device. Hit Forget right next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!